so safe like that. Be honest, you live in your own circle.
The Japanese automaker has released the latest 2023 variant of the H2. It is the fastest and the craziest production motorcycle at the moment in the world. Of course, we're referring to the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2 R. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 R is the racetrack only variant of the Ninja H2. And because it is a racetrack only model, it costs significantly more than the base H2. So for today's video, let's talk about the 2023 Ninja H2R. The styling of the latest 2023 Kawasaki Ninja H2R remains unchanged. The aerodynamic winglets are added to either side of the fairings. It has extra winglets where the mirrors would normally be because the track spec version of the bike does not need them. Kawasaki Ninja H2R engine, a 998cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder and supercharged engine powers the new Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The engine produces a maximum power of 310 horsepower at 14,000 RPM and a 165 Newton meter of peak torque at 12,500 RPM. The massive engine is backed up by a sleeper, an assist clutch, and a quick shifter as standard. And other key features, an additional loaded advanced technology.
In the morning, you felt so safe like that. Be honest, you live in your own circle.
Let's check out the maximum mileage, maximum top speed, and the performance of the new Kawasaki 2023 Ninja H2R and his aerodynamic base on aerospace chassis design. This motorcycle has a supercharger design machine using gas turbine engine technology and a planetary gear inspired aircraft engines with anti-knock technology from green gas engines. With regards on this motorcycle craftsmanship and production, this motorcycle is made from high precision production, wheels by an expert Kawasaki craftsman, and high quality materials and component.